Another part or motion of our earth is revolution. While rotating, our earth keep on revolving around the sun in this way. So there is a rotation, there is a direction from west to east, and while rotating, earth is also revolving around the sun. So revolution is basically the movement of earth around the sun, and that too in an elliptical orbit. It is not like a circular orbit, it is elliptical orbit, and it takes around 365 days roughly, let's say 365 days will be there for a one complete revolution. For one rotation 24 hours, for one revolution 365 days, that is a 1 year we used to take a reference. So it will take a that much time period. I mean the revolution will take a that much time. Now while revolving, when the earth is revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit, there are two critical positions. The very first position is like the distance between the sun and earth will be closest. So when we have this day, when we have this position, when the earth is closest to the sun, when the distance between the earth and sun is what? Very less. That will be called as what? Perihelion position. That will be called as what? Perihelion position. And this position is occurring on 3rd of Jan. While rotating, there is a one time period in a one given year. During that point of time, the distance between the sun and earth will be farthest. So when we have a farthest distance, when we have a the distance which is maximum between the sun and earth, that will be called as what? Aphelion. And that aphelion will be there on specifically 4th of July. Now I just want to draw your kind attention on this particular aspect, that during the 3rd of Jan, the distance between the sun and earth is less. It means there must be a summer? No, isn't. Because in northern India you will see that during this period of time there is a summer. Sorry, there is a winter. There is no summer. There should be summer, but there is a winter. It means what? The distance is not the distance is not the factor which is responsible for the season. It is somewhat different. You might confuse that, okay, the distance is less, so that's why summer should be there. No, it is not like that. During this period of time, the distance between the sun and earth is farthest. Here you can see even in the data, it is somewhere 150.2 million kilometer. This is the distance from sun to earth, and during this period of time we have a summer in North India. Alright, so it is not the distance between the sun and earth which determines season, it is somewhat different. We're going to see that. So just remember, we have two critical positions: when the closest part, perihelion; when the distance is farmost, that is what the aphelion; and dates 3 and 4th July. Moving ahead.